All right, here we go. Okay, we didn't want to come out here and film because there's people walking and there's somebody going right there. But Caitlin was asking me some questions, and the other issue with filming out here is the wind blowing and going by the mic, but Caitlin wants to film here and instead of in the car, and so that's what we're going to do. Now, Caitlin was asking me some questions, and so we decided we were going to film my answers because she asks some pretty crazy questions. And not crazy, like crazy, but like really interesting and wise questions. So the question that started this was,
what if the sky,
No, that was after. There we go. That's the question you asked me. What if gravity was upside down? And do you remember my answer? Should I just give you my answer? I'll just give the answer.
No.
I'll give the answer.
When I was asking that question, I was talking about, what if gravity was upside down and the Earth was upside down itself?
Can I answer the way I answered the first question, the first time you asked?
Yeah.
Okay. So my answer to her was, if gravity was upside down, then instead of the Earth, the center of the Earth pulling us toward it, it would push us away, and it would push everything on the surface of the Earth out into outer space, and we would all die. So that would stink.
Yeah.
So then you said, no, Mom, that's not what I meant, and asked that question you were?
I was asking, what if gravity was upside down and the Earth was upside down? So like the sky was there, down, but the Earth was up.
Okay.
So like we were upside down.
Right, we'd be upside down. So my answer to you was this, and this is where when we decided we'd better start filming. In order for what she was envisioning to happen, that would mean the universe would have to be, here comes somebody walking, it would mean that the Earth would have to be on the outside, the crust of the Earth would have to be around the outside of the entire universe. So what we were discussing is that the universe is infinite. And I asked her if she knew what infinite meant, and what did you say?
I said it meant when I didn't know.
You gotta speak up so the...
I said I didn't know what infinite meant, but I knew what infinity meant.
Oh, what's an infinity mean?
Infinity means okay, here's an example. So, say I take this piece of grass.
Now do it for the camera, so the camera sees it.
Into a circle.
Uh-huh.
A circle is infinity. It goes on forever.
It just keeps going. Yeah, exactly. So if the universe is infinity and it goes on forever, and you put it inside the middle of the Earth's crust, and the Earth's crust is what I said finite, and I said finite is like the number 8. You can only go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and when you hit 8, you're done. There's no more after 8. So if the Earth's crust is finite, it can't conceal something that is infinite. It's too big. So we were kind of talking like that. That's like having a Whopper with air in the inside, a Whopper candy with air in the... Hey, the camera's over here. Oh. So, yeah, so you can't have the universe in the center because the universe goes on forever, and if it goes on forever, the Earth's crust, it would be impossible for it to wrap itself around the infinite universe.
But I said...
Talk to the camera.
But I said, what if the universe wasn't infinite and it actually had an end, like planet Earth? What if it was like a planet and it didn't go on forever? It was just a big planet.
So you're talking about like a completely different realm, like rewriting everything into like a fantasy, like a fiction story?
No.
Unlike what is reality, where the universe is infinite, you're saying, what if there was a universe inside the Earth?
No, I'm just asking.
What if there was a universe inside the Earth? Wouldn't that be cool? If underneath this crust right now, there's a universe inside of there that we don't even know about, and there's planets and people and all kinds of stuff. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah, but I was like asking a question, like.
Ask the question. You're asking
like,
me, but you're looking that way. And
like, what if the outer space wasn't infinite? What if it was behind, like, what if it had a crust? Scientists believe that there isn't crust, but they haven't gone all the way to it yet. So how do we know if there's no crust?
If the universe itself is a planet and we don't know it?
Yeah, if we haven't gone that far yet, how do we know?
Oh, so like the opposite, like if the imagining that there was a universe inside of the Earth itself, that there's maybe had its own, it's like if it underneath the Earth's crust there, it looked like the crust was the sky, that kind of thing.
Kind of, but
to something else that has no idea that we even exist on the outside.
Like
that is that what you mean?
No, say like these two shells were planet Earth. And then we had a whole bunch of other seashells around.
Yeah.
And then we had the sun.
But
then, what if outer space was these two shells put together like our Earth? Like, what if there are planets inside of one big universe planet? Because we haven't gone that far yet. So how do we know if it's not like the universe is a planet, and then there's people.
There's a camera right here. You're standing up. You're like going away.
Like if there's people in another
Hang on, just a second. Let's see. Oh, listen to that seagull. Okay. We got it? Yep, there we go. We're still filming. Okay. So we had a little emergency nose blower. Okay.
Can I show you guys what I meant by...
You guys?
Yeah.
Well, it's just me and you right now. But we're filming
Can I show
it.
you?
I'm not a you guys. I'm Mom. Okay, so can you turn in?
I need to show you what I'm talking about.
Okay, but the camera's up here.
I know.
And the time's ticking away.
Now I can tell you what I meant.
Okay.
What if the planet,
Camera's right there.
Space was a planet. So I meant like, pretend this was planet Earth. And then this was space. And then space was a planet which had our planet inside. So what if there was a planet with planets inside, and then there was another Earth outside of that planet with more people like us?
So not just where, the scientists are saying that there's a possibility that you could have, like they have caves that have their own weather that are underneath the Earth's crust. So you're saying, what if, like the movie that they made that was like Journey to the Center of the Earth, and underneath the Earth's crust they found that it had ocean and dinosaurs. Okay, so you're saying, what if the Earth that we're standing on right now is actually like
A planet
not just a microclimate, a planet inside a planet, but a planet in a universe that's inside a planet. So you're not just saying a microclimate, you're saying a micro universe that's within a planet. Cool. Okay, we're going to shut this off. Okay, we got to do this now.